Hello friends. Welcome back to this latest podcast episode. I'm Brian, your host. Well, we all are trapped in a busy work schedule or activities. One common thing we want is a reliable cab service provider who would come and pick us whenever or wherever we want. Today's show is about such a reliable and trusted cab service provider, Texas Yellow Cab & Amp. Check your taxi service. They are known for their consistently prompt, secure and punctual cab services, but they excel in DFW airport taxi services at moderate fare. There is no need to wait in the queue waiting for the arrival of the cab to reach airport on time. They are known for their consistently prompt, secure and punctual cab services, but they excel in DFW airport taxi services at moderate fare. There is no need to wait in the queue waiting for the arrival of the cab to reach airport on time. You can reach the airport on time by prior online booking through filling their online application form for cab service to DFW airport. The best thing about Texas Yellow Cab & Amp: check your taxi services, their well-maintained cabs and dedicated drivers. You can also take their value-added service like collecting the baggage and more. If you want to experience a comfortable and high-standard cab ride, then book your cab from their online app. If you want to know more, visit https://bigtexascabs.com/ or call 817-881-6863 to book a cab. I hope you will surely try their service soon. You need an airport cab ride. I'll come back with another striking episode. Till then, stay tuned.